Good morning, my little kittens. Today I was wondering why so many people have problems identifying their skin type, and I just thought that I can help you guys with things that I've learned when I got my makeup degree and from my personal experience. And another thing is very important to hear, it will be like a series with makeup tips, which is pro bono from your girl Glammedblondie. So grab your coffee and let's jump in. So first of all, we have 7 different skin types. The first one is the normal skin type. Normal is a term widely used to refer to well-balanced skin. Here the T-zone may be a little bit oily, but overall the sebum and moisture is balanced and the skin is neither too oily or too dry. If you have this one, all I can say is that you are a very lucky person, because normal skin has fine pores, good blood circulation and a velvety smooth texture, a rosy uniform transparency and no blemishes. Of course, when we age, skin will become more drier. Because I also have normal skin, I will show you my normal cleaning routine and you will see what I'm using to keep my skin clean and healthy. So first we're gonna clean my face. I'm using this Remington brush face brush and I will use this face cleanser foam. Now I'm using a rose tonic, which actually smells really nice. I'm taking it down on my neck too. Now we're gonna use a little bit of face cream, just a little bit. Now I'm gonna use some hyaluronic acid on my face, just a little bit. Now I'm using a little bit of caffeine serum for my eye contour, because I want to look awake. Now I'm using a little bit of brow serum and lash serum, because I want big brows and eyelashes. And now my favorite part, I'm gonna massage my face with this thing for a bit. So first I will start with my under eye area. Oh my god, this is my favorite part from my cleaning routine. Honestly, this makes me feel so awake, and also this always helps my skin to just look so fresh and so good. And I'm only taking it from down to up, never doing like this thing, only going from down to up. The second one is dry skin. The term dry is used to describe a skin type that produces less sebum than normal skin. As a result of the lack of sebum, dry skin lacks the lipids that it needs to retain moisture and builds a protective shield against external influences. If you have dry skin, you are more prone to wrinkles, your skin is very sensible, and you might experience some redness. Before you get upset, think twice and smile, because we have also a solution for making this type of skin feel better. First of all, you need to use only products that are specifically made for dry skin. Try not to use any soap on your face and stay away from exfoliation, because it might irritate your skin very badly. Instead, try to hydrate with creams and vitamin oils made for dry skin. Try to keep your face as hydrated as you can, girl. The third one is oily skin. Oily describes a skin type with heightened sebum production. If you have oily skin, your skin looks greasy all the time, you have dilated pores, especially in the T-zone, you are more prone to acne and to infections. It's not recommended to make facial massages. because this will stimulate your face to produce more sebum. The good part here is that this skin type is not getting wrinkles that easy, so be happy girl, no wrinkles for you too soon. To take care of your skin type, try to use only face products destined to use on oily skin and products that do not have oils in them. The fourth one is combination skin. In combination skin, the skin types vary in the T-zone and cheekbones and can be normal or dry. Here you will take care of the skin based on the oily areas and the normal areas. In the oily areas, try not to use oils and greasy products, as I already told you. The fifth one is oily dehydrated. Yeah, I know this might sound very strange, but it actually exists. The case is that this might appear is after a chemical treatment for acne. So if you had a chemical treatment for acne in the past, it's possible in the future to have this type of skin. Here it's recommended to use hydrating light creams without oil. Simple, right? The sixth one is mature skin, and here things are pretty simple. It's almost like dry skin, so it needs the same care. The seventh one is sensible skin, so if you have this skin type, you need to find products dedicated to sensible skin. You have to look for products that don't contain alcohol or perfume because it can irritate the skin very bad. And we don't want that, of course. When I was little, I actually made an experiment with a body lotion that was smelling so nice, so good, but it irritated my face so badly and my face was feeling so bad, so don't try this at home, like never. So, like every worker that has his own tools, a makeup artist needs her special tools, so play this video to get to know makeup brushes. Love you!